Hello there, FYP-academy viewers. Sometimes you need to install Windows or install BIOS from your flash drives. So, what should you do to select your flash drive as your first drive? Okay, let's go to boot. Then, sometimes in some motherboards, flash is regarded as hard disk drives. So we go on hard disk drive and select enter. Previously I've chosen USB flash disk as the first HDD or hard disk drive, so it is no okay. But if you want to choose any of these one as the first, you should go on in enter, then with up and down keys choose your concerned hard disk drive, or here for me or you USB flash disk. So it is okay. Consider that first drive is important here, and I want to install Windows, so my flash drive must be the first option right here. Then escape and go to exit or press F10. So select exit and save change, then okay. This is just all the process. Have a good time. Thank you very much.